Clean home daily routine. Use natural air fresheners. Freshen up your home with natural air fresheners such as essential oils, simmering potpourri, or indoor plants to eliminate odors and create a pleasant and inviting atmosphere. Rotate and clean bedding regularly. Wash sheets, pillowcases, and blankets weekly to remove dirt, sweat, and allergens, promoting a clean and comfortable sleeping environment. Practice mindful meal preparation. Clean and organize kitchen countertops before and after meal preparation to prevent clutter and make cooking and cleaning more efficient. Establish a shoe cleaning station. Place a shoe mat or shoe rack near the entryway to encourage family members and guests to wipe their shoes before entering the home, preventing dirt and debris from being tracked indoors. Practice good laundry habits. Sort laundry into designated hampers or baskets and fold and put away clean laundry promptly to prevent clothing piles from accumulating and cluttering bedrooms and living spaces. Schedule regular dusting sessions. Dust surfaces such as furniture, shelves, and baseboards weekly to remove allergens and prevent dust buildup, maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. Use a timer for cleaning tasks. Set a timer for cleaning sessions to stay focused and motivated, helping you complete tasks efficiently and prevent procrastination. Establish a cleaning routine for pets. Brush and groom pets regularly to reduce shedding and prevent fur buildup on furniture and floors, keeping your home clean and pet-friendly. Reward yourself for completing cleaning tasks. Treat yourself to a small reward, such as a favorite snack or leisure activity, after completing cleaning tasks to stay motivated and make cleaning more enjoyable. Keep a small trash bin in every room. Place small trash bins in each room to encourage household members to dispose of trash and clutter immediately, preventing it from accumulating on surfaces or floors. Organize digital clutter. Regularly delete old files, emails, and apps on electronic devices to free up storage space and maintain a clutter-free digital environment. Practice portion control when cooking. Cook and serve only the amount of food needed for a meal to reduce food waste and minimize the need for extensive cleanup afterward. Establish a weekly meal planning routine. Plan meals for the week ahead, and create a grocery list to streamline shopping trips and prevent unnecessary purchases, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Use coasters and placemats. Encourage the use of coasters and placemats on surfaces such as coffee tables and dining tables to prevent water rings and stains, prolonging the lifespan of your furniture. Rotate and clean refrigerator shelves. Remove refrigerator shelves and drawers regularly to clean and disinfect them, preventing food spills and odors from accumulating and ensuring a clean and sanitary food storage area. Set boundaries with paper clutter. Designate a specific area, such as a mail organizer or filing system, for sorting and storing important documents to prevent paper clutter from spreading throughout your home. Establish a bedtime routine for children. Encourage children to clean up toys and belongings before bedtime to instill good habits and maintain a tidy and clutter-free living space. Practice gratitude for your home. Take a moment each day to appreciate your home and the comfort it provides, fostering a positive mindset that motivates you to maintain its cleanliness and organization. Seek professional help when needed. Don't hesitate to hire professional cleaners for deep cleaning tasks or to tackle stubborn stains and messes that require specialized equipment or expertise, ensuring that your home remains clean and well-maintained. Utilize storage baskets and bins. Use baskets and bins to corral small items and keep them organized on shelves, countertops, and in cabinets, reducing visual clutter and making cleaning easier. Invest in quality cleaning tools. Choose durable cleaning tools such as microfiber cloths, scrub brushes, and mop heads to ensure effective cleaning and long-term savings on replacements. Establish a reset routine. Set aside time each evening to reset your home by tidying up common areas, putting away items, and preparing for the next day, helping to maintain a clean and organized environment. Practice stain removal techniques. Learn how to effectively remove common stains from carpets, upholstery, and clothing using household ingredients and specialized cleaners, prolonging the lifespan of your belongings and keeping them looking clean and fresh. Rotate and clean window treatments. Regularly rotate and clean window treatments such as curtains, blinds, and shades to remove dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality and maintaining a clean appearance. Implement a daily decluttering habit. Set a timer for 10-15 minutes each day to declutter a specific area of your home, such as a junk drawer, closet shelf, or countertop, preventing clutter from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. Use natural air purifiers. Place indoor plants such as spider plants, snake plants, and peace lilies throughout your home to help purify the air and reduce indoor pollutants, creating a cleaner and healthier living environment. Practice mindful disposal of expired items. Regularly check expiration dates on pantry items, medications, and personal care products, and dispose of expired items promptly to prevent clutter and maintain a clean and organized home. Establish a recycling routine. Set up a designated recycling bin or area in your home for sorting and storing recyclable materials, making it easy to recycle and reduce waste while keeping your home clean and eco-friendly. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress in maintaining a clean home by rewarding yourself or your household with small treats, such as a movie night or a special meal, to foster a positive attitude towards cleaning and organization.